Hello, students of Standard 10. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. We are in the history class and we are going through that same chapter 3, Nationalism in India. This is a very important chapter, long chapter. We are in the verge of ending. But there are few points, there are few topics which while teaching I have either just touched it, not elaborately, just touched and went forward, but those points are very important. So separately I am dealing in this video 2 or 3 small topics which are very important for your exam. First, there are 3 topics I have told you. First topic was to describe the main features of the civil disobedience movement. Main features. Second is Gandhi-Irwin Pact. And third one is role of women in the course of civil disobedience movement. These 3 points today I am going to discuss with you. First of all, we will discuss about the main features of civil disobedience movement. So I am going to read this. I have written it I've just summarized it myself from the book, and just I have also made it point wise so that it will be easier for you to understand. And if you download this video, and then you can also write it for your answer, what are the main features of civil disobedience movement. So point wise I have made it very small, short point wise for your better understanding, for your writing, for the answers. The first point is that civil disobedience movement was the first successful mass movement. It was the first successful mass movement. Number 2, people from all sections participated in this movement. Students, people of young and old, everybody has joined in this movement. Number 3, role of women. For the first time, women in large number left the comfort of their homes and joined this movement. First time in Indian history, women also joined in this movement. Fourth point, for the first time the movement was launched with the goal of Purna Swaraj. The main motive behind is to have a Purna Swaraj, not dominion status. Purna Swaraj means complete independence. And fifth point, the people could successfully defy British law. The main features, that people if wanted, they can totally defy, means they can be totally disobedience with the British laws made by them. These are the main features I have told you point wise. If you can note it down, because this is the very important questions. What are the basic features of civil disobedience movement? My next topic was Gandhi-Irwin Pact. The civil disobedience movement started when? In March 1930, and by the end of the year, nearly 1 lakh people were arrested. 1 lakh people were arrested during this end of this civil disobedience movement. In such a situation, the Viceroy General, Lord Irwin, signed an agreement with Gandhiji on 5th March 1931 because he wanted the Congress to attend the Round Table Conference in London. The agreement is referred as the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. What is in that agreement? Gandhiji promised to call off civil disobedience movement and consented to participate in the second Round Table Conference in London. The Viceroy agreed to release the political prisoners who were not charged with violence. So during the civil disobedience movement, 1 lakh people were arrested from different parts of the country. And Gandhiji and British means Lord Irwin wanted that Congress should participate in the second round table conference in London. Gandhiji also agreed, but with one condition, that I will agree to participate there, but there is one condition: you have to release all the prisoners. So this was the condition, and for that this is the condition, and when Irwin has agreed this became a treaty, and this is called Gandhi-Irwin Pact. In December 1931, Gandhiji attended the conference but returned disappointed as the negotiations in London conference failed. Just he has participated because whatever they have already decided, Britishers, they will do it. They have not agreed in any conditions of Gandhiji. Whatever he has told, Britishers never agreed. Only they wanted that some participants from India some person from India should participate in this conference so that he can show the world that Indian representative is also there. But they have not agreed with any condition of the Indian people. Now my third topic was, as I have told you, women's participation in the civil disobedience movement. As I have already told in the features of civil disobedience movement, that this is the first mass movement where women have participated wholeheartedly. So during the Salt March to Dandi, from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, thousands of women came out of their homes to listen to Gandhiji. Not only to listen, in 240 miles which he has travelled, in his 240 miles he has stayed or he has taken rest in many parts of the country on his way. And wherever he stopped, he has given lectures, meetings have been conducted during the night. There women have come out to participate, and they have not only come out, they have also joined Gandhiji in this march. They participated in protest marches, manufactured salt and picketed foreign clothes and liquor shops, thrown away the foreign clothes for liquor shops. They went to jail also for this, participating in this movement. In urban areas, women from high caste families also participated, whereas in rural areas, they came from the rich peasants' households. Moved by Gandhiji's call, they began to see service to nation as a sacred duty of women. Now see, here one thing to be noted, that whichever women has participated, whoever has came out from their homes, they were all belong to rich families or rich peasants' families. They belong to aristocratic families in the urban areas, or from the villages, whoever has came, they belong to the family of rich farmers. So they have came out from their comfort zones and participated in the movement of Gandhiji. They have taken active part in picketing liquor shops, burning the foreign clothes, boycotted foreign clothes, and even they have disobeyed the laws of Britishers and made salt also. These are very important, so you must remember these 3 topics. Thank you.